Hi, in this ICP we have learnt about the machine learning and its uses and the types of algorithms used and also the techniques applied for it and different classifications of those algorithms and three of those like KNN, K nearest neighbors, Navy based classifier and SVM support vector machines, and those KNN, NB and SVM are being illustrated with some of the test cases over here. So this is the for this ICP the first task is to perform to find the correlation between the survived, that is the target column for it, and the sex column for the Titanic case. So here is the program for it. First thing is we are importing the pandas as PD. Here the pandas is a software library which is used for manipulating and the analysis of the data. It actually offers some data structures and the operations for manipulating the numerical tables and the time series. So here first we are importing that, and here we have taken the data from train.csv and test.csv. This is the data set which we are trying to manipulate. So here we are using the correlation between the two columns, that is survived and the sex. So I'm running this program here. So we can see the output over here. It's showing the sex and the survived, the female. So here the question asks like we should keep this feature. So this feature is definitely required to keep it, because as the female, that is the sex value is highly correlated with the survival. So based on it, it shows the highest value for the female. So it's necessary to have this feature in it. And the next program is to implement the Navy based method using the scikit-learn library. So here we have the data set for it, and we are I'll go through the program here. So here is the program for it. So here we are importing the libraries first and also importing the classification report, as the question itself asks for the classification report and the score. So we are importing those things, and the pandas and the train test split for splitting the testing part and the training part. Here we have taken the glass.csv is the data set which we are trying to analyze the data here. So these are the X and the Y, and we are validating the training part and the testing part. So here I have taken the test size as 0.2 in order to have it as 80-20%. So here it gives the shape of it, and we have used the Gaussian Navy base function over here. We are predicting it and printing the data of it, finding the accuracy and the classification report with the prediction. So I'm running this program. It's still running over here. So this is here we can see the output. It's giving the shape of the training data, and once after these train underscore test underscore split, with that it has got down the testing data, and it's giving the accuracy using the NB Gaussian. So it is 59.06. For the test part it is 37.21, and this is the classification report. It also printed over here. And the next part is doing this same thing using the linear SVM method. Instead of NB method, we are using linear SVM for the same data set. So here is the program for it. In place of for instead of using the Gaussian, we have used the SVM. We can see here. So we are importing the SVC. The same thing is used here. Then the classification report, all are all same, only in play it's the difference of using the type of method or classification method we are using here. So here is the output for it. So here we can see, so it is 35.67, 20.93. So here it also asks for which algorithm you got better accuracy. So from this we see that for the previous one we have got like it is 59 and it is 35.67. so from this we can say that SVM has got a better accuracy, as the accuracy on the test data is higher for the SVM when compared with NB, and it is better as the NB considers that there is no correlation between the input data. So I prefer that SVM is better for this accuracy. Thank you.